Tired of stubborn suntan making your skin look dull and uneven? Don't worry. Today we're revealing a powerful homemade tan removal mask that not only brightens your skin instantly, but also gives you a natural glow, without expensive salon treatments. Stay tuned till the end to see how to make it, apply it, and get visible results in just one use. When your skin is exposed to harsh UV rays, it produces more melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color. This leads to tanning, uneven skin tone, and dullness. But the good news? You can easily reverse it at home with natural ingredients that lighten pigmentation and soothe your skin. For our instant tan removal and brightening mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of gram flour, besan, gently exfoliates and removes tan. 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt, hydrates and lightens pigmentation. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, natural bleaching agent. A pinch of turmeric, gives glow and fights acne. Rose water, to adjust the consistency and soothe skin. Step 1. Clean your face with a mild cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Step 2. Apply the mask evenly on your face, neck, and tanned areas. Step 3. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Relax while the magic happens. Step 4. Once it's semi-dry, gently scrub in circular motions using wet fingers. Step 5. Rinse off with cool water and pat dry. You'll notice your skin feels instantly fresh, soft, and visibly brighter. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Always apply sunscreen before stepping out. It prevents future tanning. You can also store this mask in the fridge for up to 2 days. If you have sensitive skin, skip the lemon juice and add aloe vera gel instead. Within a few days, your skin will look clearer, more even-toned, and naturally radiant. So that's it. Your instant tan removal and skin brightening mask made right at home. No chemicals, no salon bills, just pure natural glow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY skincare hacks that truly work. Your glowing skin journey starts right here.